Hello guys. So today we're gonna create something like this. This is like a Django-based authentication web application, and it has an additional features to actually like authorize through Instagram as well. So this whole thing is actually deployed in pythonanywhere.com, which is like a free hosting website, like for developers like me and you, which wanna test out their application before actually going into production. Now let me just give you a quick overview like what is the application doing. So we have like a sign up page here. Just suppose that I'm Bill Gates. Gate has already created, but yeah, I think I have to move all the data. So my first name is Bill, last name is Gates. I don't want to put there his real email address, but confirm password, very classic, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sign up. Your account has been created. Yeah, check your password because we have put like very common password here. So you can say your account has been created, log in and connect with your Instagram. So let's do that. Sign in now. Now you see that it actually prompts us to this page where we can actually have to authorize our Instagram. And you can say authorize Instagram and then you can say spending. So let's click authorize and it will redirect us to an Instagram authentication page where we can see that the test wants to have some permissions from the user Mohan. Do you want to allow? Yeah, we definitely want to allow. So let's click allow, and you can see that we have some code here which actually sent by the Instagram or like Facebook. They are now same, or don't know, maybe Meta. So please click continue to finish the authentication. Okay, let's do that, and boom. Hello Bill, thanks for visiting. You are logged in successfully. Your account, your Instagram username is this. And this is like the fake username I have put. So yeah, definitely this is correct. You know, my username is, I haven't given the user my Instagram username, but it actually got here. So this is the proof that we have successfully, authorized our application through Instagram as well. Now we can have some posts here as well to actually show like other stuff here through their Instagram, but like we don't want to do that at the moment. So let's sign out and like we're again at this place. Now we want to sign in again, right? Now we don't want to actually put, like you can see that this time it didn't ask for the Instagram authentication because you have already authorized. So this is also one of the additional, features we're gonna add. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so first thing we need to do is create a folder. Let's do like let's call like Instagram authentication IA. Very very cool name, right? Now let's go into the folder and open command prompt. We are here. Now first thing we always need to do is create a virtual environment. So before that we can just create like python -m virtual environment and put the name like maybe my van, right? Yeah, that sounds perfect. But yeah, you can use like you can create your virtual environment using this python or maybe virtual environment or pyvan, whatever you like to do. So you can see that directory we have like my vendor here. Now we want to activate that, so we can go to the scripts and activate and come back. Cool. We are now into our my band. Now we need to first thing is pip install Django. Django. Okay. It is going to install Django in our virtual environment. Seems like my internet is slow. Come on. Okay. Okay, so it has finished the installation and yeah, now what we need to do is start the project. So just like Django admin start project, and let's just give the same name like IA, yeah, Instagram authentication. Oh, maybe yeah, IA sounds fun. Okay, it has done. Now we need to also create an application which is like a start app, and let's call it my app. And now we can see we have my app and as well IA. Now cd into IA, and first thing we need to do is python manage.py run server. Let's just see everything works fine. You can see it has it's like running into this pod. Let's go back and we should see the here. You can see perfectly it is working fine here. So let's quit it and now clear these things, and we can refresh here to see everything. Now we're into code. Let's now start coding. Okay, yeah, before actually going to coding, we need to do one more setup just to have clear view. So just take everything from here and put it in here. Now why do I do this is actually, you know, to like run the manager.py right from here, you know, right from the root directory. I don't want to go always in the folder and run the manager.py. That's kind of a side hustle, you know. I don't want to have those. So let's do again cd and code and start coding. Okay, so now we are here. First thing we need to do is set up our application which we have created here. So can go here and see apps, my app config. Just copy this thing, come back to the settings, and in the install application just put this as my app dot apps dot control V. Yeah, that's all we need to do. And to do this, go to true. Yep. Okay, after coming back here, like all the first thing you should do is set your Python interpreter. Just click, you know, Control CFP, and it will pop up, you know, recently used. So Python interpreter, set this to your environment, you know, because usually, you know, when you first start the application, it will not actually be your uh, default interpreter. So just set it there. The good thing is that, you know, whenever you open a new terminal, it'll automatically have your virtual environment set. This is like a good thing about the Visual Studio. Now let's create some first thing, just go to your application and create urls.py, and now go to your project and urls, and let me just remove all this and just import from django.config.urls import include. Now add the path which will be include, and your app name. It's like my app dot urls. Now everything will be going from, you know, whenever that is empty, it will just go to my application dot urls. And I don't want to go much more into basics. There are countless videos which will teach you right. But let's copy paste the same thing here. Now we don't want include, we don't want admin, we just want the, okay, so there's an empty here. Now just have add, and this will change, it from views dot home, and name is equal to home, and we haven't imported views, so let me do that. Okay, so from my app, you can also do like Hudut, but I just like to do my app import views. Okay, now save this, go back to views. We haven't created the views, so let's just return simple HTTP response home. This will take class as an argument and return HTTP response saying hello world. Very classic. Now before actually running the our server, we need to do one more thing. Python-py make migrations and Python manage.py migrate. This will actually tie up everything together. I mean, I have already done that. That's why it's not showing anything. But yeah, you should do that. And after that, Python manage.py create super user. Yeah, you want to create someone who knows everything. Let's username should be admin. Email address is actually admin@demo.com. Password is 1234 1234. Yeah, it is insecure. Let it be. And now let's run this server. And hopefully we should see an hello world. Okay, cool. Hello world is right there. Cool. And now in the next chapter, we're gonna create like templates and actually do some more modification and have like a sign in and sign up page, authenticate the user and all. So okay, cool.